Welcome children. Today we are doing keywords of division. We divide children when we have to give something equally. Okay. So here is an example. Give equally 12 flowers to 3 children. 12 flowers है 3 children को दे दिया. Okay. So what I'll do, out of 12, I'll give one flower to each child. तो 3 बच्चों को फ्लावर्स दे दिए हैं तो 3 फ्लावर्स कम हो गए हैं. So I am doing here subtraction. 12 minus 3 is 9. Again from 9 flowers I am giving 3 flowers. So 9 minus 3 is 6. From 6 flowers again I will give 3 to other children and I am left with 3 flowers. And 3 minus 3, 0. So I will give the flowers equally. I started from 12 flowers and I will start giving 3 flowers until my flowers are 0. तो here I have done 3 children है तो 3 बच्चों को एक फ्लावर देंगे तो -3 करना पड़ेगा. So how many times I have done -3 -3 -3 -3? I have done see -3 मैंने एक बार किया, -3 second time, okay, -3 was done third time and -3 was done fourth time. So when I was trying to give equally flowers to 3 children, I gave it turn by turn. 3 बच्चों को एक बार turn by turn हमने दिया. Okay, and this activity I did 4 times. So this says that जब आप repeated subtraction कर रहे हैं, so you are doing actually what you are doing? You are doing division. So division is the name of the process of doing subtraction repeatedly of the same number. This fact I can write as 12 divided by, किससे डिवाइड किया है हमने देखो 3 से. 3 का repeated subtraction किया है ना. Yes, 12 divided by 3 and how many times I did it? 4 times. So 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. So division is the name of the process of repeated subtraction of the same number. Just as we have seen that multiplication is the name given to the process of repeated addition of the same number. तो repeated addition हो तो उसका नेम है multiplication, जो उसका short way है करने का, और repeated subtraction हो तो उसका short और trick है, short way है करने का उसका division. So repeated subtraction is the first keyword of division. When we use division, when we need to distribute equally. Okay, here's an example. Distribute 40 flags equally among 5 children. तो यहाँ हमें क्या करना है? Distribute equally. And distribute equally means that you are doing division. 40 flags है 5 children में distribute करना है. So what you will do? 40 divided by 5. In the table of 5, I want to reach 40. And I reach 40 8 times. 5 times 8. 5 8s are 40. So when I distribute 40 flags among 5 children, each child will get 8 flags. Each child get 8 flags. So this is one of the situation when we are using division. Another situation where we use division is when you are making equal groups. Let's see the example. How many equal groups of 4 marbles can be made from 20 marbles? What you are having? You are having 20 marbles. You want to make 4 equal groups. 4 groups बनाने हैं. हम क्या करेंगे? 20 divided by 4. In the table of 4, you want to search for 20. So I know that 4 5 times 20. So from 20 marbles, 4 marbles, 5 groups can be made. 5 equal groups can be made. So all those situations where you need to make equal groupings, there you will find your solution by doing division. So equal grouping is the third keyword of division. Yes, another situation is when you are sharing equally. Let's see the example. Share equally 30 marbles among 5 children. Equal sharing of 30 marbles has to be done. See the numbers we are having? 30 marbles, 5 children. So 30 you will divide by 5. In the table of 5 I have to search 30 and the answer is 6. So when we share equally 30 marbles, each child will get 6 marbles. So another situation is equal sharing. Equal sharing, equal distribution, equal grouping. These are the situations when we are using division. The last keyword, a little different kind it is. How many times a smaller number is present in a bigger number? When this type of situation arises, we use division. Let us see first what does it mean. How many times, कितनी बार एक smaller number एक बड़े number में present है. So we are talking about some smaller number and a bigger number. Let's see its example. I have given many examples here. How many rupees 2 coins make rupees 10? Okay. अगर आपको 2 rupees के coins से 10 rupees बनाने हैं, okay, you want to pay somebody with rupees 2 coin, you have to pay amount 10 rupees. So what will do? How many coins you will use? Okay. At this situation, यहाँ पे एक smaller number है और एक bigger number है. Here we use division. We divide the bigger number by a smaller number. So bigger number is 10, smaller number is 2. 10 divided by 2. What is the answer? It is in the table of 2. I will search 10. The answer is 5. So 5 coins I need. 2 rupees के 5 coins चाहिए तो हमारे 10 rupees का payment हो जाएगा. Okay. So this is the situation when it tells you how many times a smaller number is in the bigger number. Let us see. How many tens you need to make 60? 60 बनाने हैं तो tens कितने चाहिए? Okay. So it tells you 60 के अंदर कितने 10 आ सकते हैं. Bigger number is 60, smaller number is 10. 60 divided by 10. In the table of 10, I will search for 60 and I get it 6 times. Right? How many weeks are there in 21 days? 21 days में कितने weeks आ सकते हैं? ठीक है? Here I am not having, I am having only one number, 21 days. But weeks is telling you 7 days. So my question is, how many 7 days are there in 21 days? Bigger number divided by smaller number. ठीक है? So it will mean that bigger divided by smaller. That is giving you 3. In the table of 7, I get 21 3 times. इसका मतलब है 21 days में कितने week हो सकते हैं? तो 21 days में 3 weeks हो सकते हैं. Okay? So such kind of a situation where you are telling, you are being asked to find out कि किसी big number में कितने छोटे number आ सकते हैं. ठीक है? 10 में कितनी बार 5 आ सकता है? तो 5 में 2 times आ सकता है. 5 2s are 10. Such type of question. So all these are the keywords of division. We are using these situations. If they arises, then we are using division.